In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate HubSpot CRM. We'll walk through signing in and cloning a contact record so you can quickly create a new contact based on an existing one. This is especially handy when you're working with similar records and want to keep formatting and key fields consistent without starting from scratch. First, head to the HubSpot login page and sign into your account. If your workspace uses Google authentication, click Sign in with Google, then choose your Google account to continue. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Just follow the on-screen prompts. If your team uses a different login method, that's fine as well. The goal is simply to get into your HubSpot portal. Once you're in, go to the CRM area. This is the hub where you'll manage objects like contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. For this process, we're focusing on contacts, so open the contacts section. You'll see your contact list with filters and columns determined by your current view. Find and open the contact you want to use as the base for your duplicate. This works best with a clean, well-structured record. Think of it as your template. Before cloning, keep in mind that HubSpot requires unique values for certain properties, like the primary email address for contacts. Plan to update those fields on the new record so you don't accidentally overwrite or merge with the original. With the contact record open, locate the Actions menu near the top of the screen and select it. From that dropdown, choose Clone. HubSpot will open a cloning panel or form that's pre-populated with the values from the original contact. This is where you can customize the new record. Type in the new values you need and review what's been carried over. Be sure to update any unique identifiers like email and consider adjusting key details such as first name, last name, job title, lifecycle stage, and owner if your team uses assignment rules. Check any required fields marked by HubSpot so the new record saves without errors. This is also a great moment to confirm formatting and naming conventions your team relies on, ensuring your data stays clean. When everything looks correct, click Clone to create the new contact. HubSpot will generate the duplicate with your changes applied. You should now see the new record with its own timeline and properties. If HubSpot flags a potential duplicate, review the warning and confirm your choice. That's it. You've signed in, navigated to CRM and contacts, opened a contact, cloned it, adjusted the fields, and saved your new record. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in HubSpot.